Oh god. Sit down! Bro, we can see how loud we are at the bottom.
What?
Look at the sound thing at the bottom. That's how loud we are. Oh. Oh.
Kaya we need to crowd.
Yes, we need to crouch.
Shut up, kid.
I found a good house earlier, but it's gone. We are way too far now. Because of you, you are a loser.
What?
What? What?
What
Ooh.
is wrong?
Toast. Oh!
No, it's all your fault.
What do you mean?
I can save this bird trap.
Oh my! Wow!